Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how you can trim any video in Samsung phone. To do that, go to gallery and select the video which you want to trim. Let's say I like this one to trim. So let's play the video first. I only need this part of video where I am playing with the car. So how can I trim this part? Simply tap on this pencil icon and from here select the part which you want to have in your video. In my case, from here to here. I have selected my part. Now tap on save. It will take few seconds. Now as you can see, I have only the part in which I am playing with the cars. Let's play it. As you can see that the other half video is completely trimmed out. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will meet you in next video.